What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to a new video. My name is of course Paul. Happy New Year. Good to be back. I did take a few days off just to let the channel breathe a little bit and also to get adjusted for this year coming and plan out some videos. Now, two phones have now left. The Pixel 3 XL is gone and the OnePlus 7 Pro is also now gone too. I've picked up something else which we're going to unbox in today's video and check it out. This is the first time I'm checking it out. Let's see what's actually inside the box and then I'll give you a brief explanation as to why I've done it, me thoughts behind it, and then what's going to come in future videos. So without further ado, let's jump into the Note 10 Plus 5G unboxing. Right, so let's jump in, let's get this unboxed and let's see what you actually get inside the box of one of these. I'm assuming it's just the same as the S10, which of course I've had. The case is a cheap 3-pound one off eBay because I mean they must have run out of glue for the bottom. It's not pushed down properly and the Samsung is completely wrong, but not to worry, it's just the case just to get me through for now until my genuine leather case comes. But let's just jump in and let's see what you get. Now, I've already cut this and took the cellophane to one side. Okay, so you get the phone up front and centre, so take that out. Place that to one side just for now, and then you get this little Samsung lip, so you take that out and that hides and protects obviously the back of the phone from the plastic of this. Obviously, as I'm in the UK, I've got the UK plug, which is obviously comes as like an adapter that you push up. Of course it's USB-C now as well, so that's all good. Take that out. I'm not going to take this out as obviously it's the OTG connector that you can connect the standard USB to your phone and obviously other wires so you can transfer your data from like an iPhone to your new phone or another Samsung to your new phone. And then there's tips for the S Pen inside there. In the back, in this one just here, USB-C cable to USB-C to charge it. I'm not going to take it out as it's probably not going to get used. So there's a USB-C connector in there as well, which could come in handy, especially for the likes of the MacBook and stuff like that. But then of course you got the AKG headphones. I'm not going to use them as I use me Sony WH-1000 Mark IIIs over here if I'm going to use that phone, because I've got the AirPods Pro of course for the iPhone. Let's put all this back in. So let's switch on the device. Now the power button is a bit strange for me on this because obviously it's on the left hand side. I'm used to phones having it on the right. So that's a bit strange, but let's get it switched on anyway. Let's power it up. There we go, Note 10 Plus 5G. I've already got this set up by the way, as I've already opened the box and I've been using it for the last couple of days or so. But I still wanted to do the unboxing experience with you guys so you could see what you get in the box if you're going to go for one of these. But my reasons behind why I've went for this is I watch a lot of YouTube videos. I felt like the OnePlus 7 Pro had ran its course with me. Although it was a great phone, the 90Hz display was absolutely fantastic, but the camera just wasn't cutting it for me. The video quality, the picture quality wasn't too bad, but it wasn't great. Still got the screen protector on the back by the way, as I'm waiting for my case to arrive, and then I'll take this off. I still got the screen protector on the front too, the genuine one, as I haven't purchased one just yet, but I will be getting the white stone dome one. I think I'll be going through the process of how you fit that to this phone. But if we place it in the fake Samsung case, just for now, so you can see what it looks like. That's what it looks like inside a Samsung silicone case, but obviously this isn't genuine. I mean, look at that wave in the case just there. It's not good. But if we unlock it, but obviously my reasoning behind this was just basically I wanted the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. I enjoyed having the Note 8. I never went for the Note 9, but I feel like this is going to be a better fit for me, especially when I decide to change everything round and put all my apps on it and use it to its full potential of what I want to use it for. There's a video coming on how I'm going to use it and what's on the phone coming soon. There's plenty of videos coming with this device and how I've got it set up. If there's anything you guys want to know, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. But this has just been like an unboxing, first impressions, first look, and why I've done it. You know, why I've went for this over the OnePlus 7 Pro. Why did I get rid of the OnePlus 7 Pro? Why have I got rid of the Pixel 3 XL? It's because it felt like an old phone now. compared to this, compared to the OnePlus, the Pixel 3 XL just felt like an old phone, although it was still a great phone. So everyone, that's going to do it for the Note 10 Plus 5G unboxing. Is it something that you're looking at yourself? Have you got one of these? Let me know in the comment section down below this video. You know my reasons, you know why I've done it. There's plenty of videos coming with this phone over the next couple of months. If there's anything you guys want to see in future videos, be sure to let me know in the comment section down below. Links to the Note 10 Plus 5G in the description down below this video. Let me know your thoughts on whether I've done the right thing, what you think of the Note 10, what phone you'd go for next, as there's plenty coming out. There's one that I want to check out coming sometime later this year from a company called TCL who make televisions and various other products. So I want to make sure I check that out. But let me know what you want to see from the Note 10 Plus 5G while I've got it. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked this, drop a like. If you loved it, drop a sub. Thanks for coming back to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy, everyone. See you all soon.